Today, I'll show you how to fix Ropro not working step by step so you can get it to run smoothly on Roblox. Step 1. Check Roblox version. Make sure your Roblox client is fully updated. If it's not updated, update it and then try to run Ropro again. Ropro often fails if Roblox released a new update and the extension hasn't been updated yet. Now, update Ropro. Go back to your Chrome browser if you had installed the browser extension, and now check for updates and reload the extension. If it's installed via a script manager like TamperMonkey, make sure the script is up to date. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes old browser data causes Ropro to fail. Go to your browser settings and then click on Privacy and Security and click on Delete Browsing Data. Unselect Browsing History and Cached Images and File and just select Cookies and Other Site Data and click on Delete Data. After that, restart the browser. Now, disable conflicting extensions. Other Roblox related extensions can conflict. Temporarily disable all other extensions except Ropro, then reload Roblox. If it still doesn't work, remove the extension completely and reinstall the latest version from the official source, and then restart your browser and try again. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.